सर रुकिए सर थोड़ा सर एक मिनट सर आइए अंदर आइए सब अंदर आइए पीछे 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 चलो सर होल्ड कीजिए होल्ड सर जी आगे आइए सर जी कम है सर आइए सर
हीरोइन को बुलाओ आगे हीरोइन को
एक्ट्रेस एक्ट्रेस मैम कहां मैम मैम
थोड़ा मीडिया पीछे हो जाओ तो
पीछे पीछे यार पीछे
पीछे अच्छा पीछे दुर्गेश पीछे है थोड़ा
किशन का है
आसिफ भाई को बुलाइए आगे
आप आगे
ऑल कैमरास कट कट क्यों क्यों अच्छा ऐसा था क्या एवरीवन ऑन योर लैप ओ लुकिंग सेंटर चलो ओके आगे ट्राई करो चलो डन
हां यस
राजेश सर, what do you want to say about this song and कितना एंजॉय किया आपने इस गाने को, क्योंकि इंडो नेपाल की जो फ्रेंडशिप के ऊपर ये गाना है और शूट भी वहाँ पे हुआ है, बहुत ही अच्छी लोकेशंस है सर, आप क्या कहना
आई एम
चाहेंगे?
वेरी हैप्पी क्योंकि ये हिंदी सॉन्ग है और हिंदी इंडियन टीम ने बनाया हुआ है, मगर प्रशंसा नेपाल का करता है ये गीत और नेपाल की रहन सहन दिखाया है। तो मेरे ख्याल में ये कल्चरल टाई में एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निर्वाह करती है। तो बहुत खुशी हुई कि इंडियन सॉन्ग, इंडियन टीम और नेपाली टीम मिलके दोनों देशों को सैनिक कल्चर को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, दोनों को नज़दीक ला रहे हैं। मुझे तो बहुत खुशी हुई।
आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम यू आर कमिंग टू मुंबई, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड क्या कहना चाहेंगे मुंबई के माहौल के बारे में, इंडिया के
मुंबई में तो एक अलग ही एनर्जी है, नहीं ये तो वाइब्रेंट सिटी है, यहाँ एनर्जी है, यहाँ अच्छा है, यहाँ सब बैकग्राउंड, सब स्ट्रेटा, सब किस्म के लोग रहते हैं, अलग अलग रहन सहन देखने का मौका मिलता है, लोग अलग अलग भाषाएं बोलते हैं, मगर फिर भी सब लोग जितने भी मुंबई में रहते हैं सबको ये लगता है कि मुंबई हमारा है और ये हम ही यहाँ के हैं। तो एक अच्छा एनर्जी मिलता है यहाँ के। यहाँ का खान पीन बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे, यहाँ के स्ट्रीट फूड्स बहुत अच्छा लगता है। राजेश जी ने हमारा देखभाल बहुत अच्छे ढंग से किया है। वहाँ ने अपने क्या मुंबई का जो खास खाने का चीज़ होता है वो सब हमें खिलाया है।
So any plans to do a Bollywood film or any
क्यों नहीं, मैं तो कलाकार हूँ, मैं हर तरीक़े की फिल्में करना चाहता हूँ। अब राजेश जी और हम कुछ प्रोजेक्ट का प्लानिंग भी कर रहे हैं। एक गीत तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, एक गाना, और प्रोजेक्ट भी हम करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारा तो लाइन ही यही है, फिल्में बनाना मेरा पेशा है और राजेश इसमें शामिल हैं। तो हम दोनों कुछ इंडो नेपाल प्रोजेक्ट हो सकता है, मुझे लगता है।
Nidhi, how was your experience on working on this song and tell us about this experience in India?
I grew up watching Bollywood movies in Nepal, so I'm quite. It's similar, but the whole project was so beautifully done. I made good friends like Roshmi and Rajiv, and the whole crew member. I actually came to Mumbai a month back for my own personal work, and then I happened to meet Rajesh sir. It was unplanned. We met, and he asked me like if I would be interested to do this music video, which it revolves around the relationship between the two countries, Nepal and India. And I instantly said, okay, why not? It's a great project. And they came over to Nepal, and we had such a great time shooting. It was like we were like a family shooting together, and I had such an exceptional, great time. And I would love to work with the team again in future. Yeah.
Who is your favorite actor in Bollywood?
Ranveer Singh. I really like his style, and I am head over heels for him. He is an amazing actor.
Roshmi, how was your experience? कैसा था experience नीति के साथ and पूरी cast and crew के साथ? आप लोग नेपाल भी गए थे?
हाँ जी हाँ जी
इस
हाँ
बारे
जी
में कुछ बताया हमारी audience को?
सो पहले तो मैं थैंक यू बोलूँगी राजेश सर फॉर गिविंग दी अपॉर्चुनिटी। मैं जितना बार भी थैंक यू बोलूँ मुझे लगता है बहुत कम है, क्योंकि आई हैव मेड वेरी ब्यूटिफुल फ्रेंड्स देयर एंड द प्लेस इज़ अमेजिंग। और मुझे सच में फ़र्स्ट टाइम ऐसा पता चला है कि इंडिया के बाहर कोई ऐसा कंट्री है जो बिल्कुल इंडिया जैसे ही है, वहाँ का culture, the way they speak, the way they welcome, like हम लोग बोलते हैं अतिथि देवो भव, so they also follow that, you know. And yeah, it was an amazing experience. And firstly, when I heard the song, I loved the song so much. I was like, I'm glad that I got this opportunity and I'm going to grab it right now. I'm not going to let it go. So yeah, it was amazing, and the entire team, as Neeti said, there's nothing different that I would like to add, but we are a family, and I hope Hare Krishna will do so many more projects together. Yeah, and thank you, Niti. She has been the most wonderful girl ever I've met ever. She's so kind, she's so generous, she's so sweet, and she's very talented. She actually took great care of the team, along with the team. She was the one who put a lot of effort to make us feel very comfortable and like home there in Nepal. So thank you for that. Thank you.
Plans to collaborate with Rajesh sir and Neeti again?
Why not? Why
We're doing a
not?
part 2 of this song in India.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now the Nepali team is coming to India, and
India.
that's going to be another part 2 of the song.
Yeah.
So
Now this time we are going to show our India, Bharat Mata
Yeah.
Ki Jai, in a very different way with a beautiful song again. Yeah, inshallah. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. And all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh. Good afternoon, everybody. Namaskar. Welcome. हृदय से नमस्कार सब लोगों को. बहुत खुशी हुई. I'm very happy to be here in Mumbai. You know, Mumbai, of course, hasn't been a new place for me. I've been here many times over the years. The first time I came here was maybe around 30, 35 years ago. And I've been working in Nepali films for the last 30 plus years. It's almost 32 years. But my age is only 25. So you do your maths. Go home and do your maths, you know. So it's a wonderful time here. I must thank Rajesh Chaudhary for bringing me over this time, because I was being hungry for Mumbai. You know, I haven't been in Mumbai for the last 3.5 years, and I have such a fond memories, especially in the 90s and early 2000s. When I had come here to shoot Nepali films, I've probably come here to shoot maybe 5 or 6 Nepali films during those last 25 years in Film City and SL Studio. Does that still exist? Is it still called SL Studio, or is it called something else? Is it still SL Studio? Yeah, okay. So I've done, I've shot a few films over there and a few films at the Film City, and have very fond memories. Have quite a few friends and that I know who are close to my heart. And Master Thapa happens to be one of the person. Master Thapa, you must come here. Every time I come to Mumbai, my visit is incomplete without meeting this gentleman over here. Why don't you stand up and up He's a very charismatic guy, and he's been a very strong force and a prominent member of Shiv Sena. With him, I had gone to Bal Thacker's house and met when he was still alive about 10, 12 years ago, and Smita Thakur, we met them together, and Uday Thakur. We have yet to meet Raj Thakur. Yeah, I have yet to meet him, but I've met the rest of the other family. So thank you very much. And I'm so impressed with what Rajesh has in the pipeline for Nepal and for India and the relationship between the two countries. And I'm totally amazed by the kind of ambition that he has, especially in the creative field that he wants to do to promote, especially the relationship between Nepal and India. Because you see, art is a soft diplomacy, and I always believed that through art and through culture, the ties between the two countries can be much more stronger than political ties. You know, sometimes politics can go haywire. Sometimes political happenings can be misunderstood. But as long as there is a great cultural tie, as long as there is a great people-to-people relationship, then the relationship between the two countries is extremely stable, and it never wobbles. So Rajesh is doing an extraordinary thing through art to bringing two countries together, Nepal and India. And sometimes I feel that he has a very ambitious project, but I do want to give my support and help wherever I can, because I want his dreams to come true. He wants me to do a Hindi song, which is again something new for me, because in the last 32 years that I've been working in Nepali films, there's only one project that I have done outside of my country, and that happens to be, I don't know if I should be telling this here, but that happens to be a Pakistani film. So I've done one Pakistani film way back around 10 years ago, but I've never featured in any of the Hindi songs. However, I must tell you that I started off my modeling career from India. Way back in my 20s, I had come to Mumbai and had done ramp walking, and I've done fashion modeling, when I was in my early 20s. I've done a lot of photo shoots at Juhu Beach and Palm Grooves and Sun and Sand Hotel, which was very prominent, iconic features those days. And have done a few modeling assignment in New Delhi as well at Maurya Hotels and etc. But after that, then I went to Nepal, and I've been working in Nepali film. And fortunately, I've been in Nepali film for the last 32 years, churning out. And then I studied in Chandigarh, Balle Balle. No. Water, the rajma, and the chawal, and the lassi, and whatnot. So they were all excellent. So thank you very much for being here, especially the members of the press. I'm sure that you will disseminate this news, and people of Mumbai and people of India will know that how close both the countries can be, because sometimes politics betrays us, but the cultural ties and the people-to-people tie will never betray us, as long as we have a good intention in the heart, right? So Rajesh Chaudhary ji, I always say that, he's an Indian person with a Nepali heart. Because he has so much of love for our country, and it's only recently that I've met him, but it feels like that I've known you for ages. No, it hasn't, it's like 5-6 months that I met you first time. I met him about 6 months ago, and now I feel that I've met him for all my life. More than 30, all my life, 25 years. And again, meeting the whole cast, like Rajiv is such a gentleman over here, and he's got a fantastic look, so I hope that he will also be part of Nepali films in the future. I'm saying that if I come with an offer, please don't say no. And then Niti, of course, she is from Nepal. We've met several times, right? And she's been doing great works. And there's something over here in a tiny package that is ready to explode. Vibrant things always come in tiny packages, so she happens to be one of them. And Prince, of course, I've known him for so many years now, and he's been an excellent guy, and he's very passionate about acting, and wants to do something in the field of cinema. I wish him all the best. And Dasrat, how can I miss you? Dasrat is, like he said, he runs VFY talk shows. You can go to YouTube and type VFY, and you'll come and see his several interviews that he has broadcasted. And I've been in 2 or 3 of those interviews that he has done, and we had a great association doing that. And on a personal level also, we are very good friends. He comes to my house, and we talk and discuss about creative works and about life. And not only about life, but we also talk about mind, body, and spirit, don't we? Huh? And we talk about world history, we talk about a lot of things, and he's a great listener. He's a great listener. And Rajesh ji was always complaining that Dasrat doesn't smile, but whenever I speak to him, he's always smiling. So Rajesh ji, you got to see that, you see. Every time I speak to him, you can see all his teeth, and he's smiling from year to year. And he's an excellent guy. He probably doesn't say so much, but he really puts in his effort in whatever he's doing. He's very passionate, he's very hardworking, he's very focused in what he is doing. So it's a great team here. And Ashish ji, how can I forget him? I admire singers a lot, and I envy them as well, because I think singing is such a gift. And when you've got to be born with that talent. There's no way that you can practice, or no matter how hard you work, if you don't have the basis of that talent, you can never be a great singer. So it's a God gift to have a great voice and to be a great singer, because I did dabble in singing in my career, and I know how hard it was. It's really hard. It's I had to take a lot of technical helps, in order to come out all right. So, Ashishji, thank you so much for singing this. No, that's not okay. Singing this wonderful song and picturizing this in Nepal and bringing the two cultures together. Thank you for your presence. You want a short one or a little long one?
Long one.
Well, there's I've done like over 280, 290, close to 300 films in the last 32 years. There was a time when I was churning out maybe 12 to 14 films in an average every year. A good 12 years, I was putting in 16 to 18 hours every day, working in Nepali film, day and night. So in the last 32 years, I've done close to 300 films, and most of my films have been where I have portrayed a role of an average underdog and representing the normal Nepalis, and that's one of the reasons why a lot of my fellow Nepalis, my brothers and sisters, they put me, given a place in their heart, because they truly feel that I'm one of them. It's not even actor and fan relationship that I have with my people in Nepal. It's more like a family member in Nepal, and I really appreciate that. And I'm never tired of praising and appreciating the love and affection that I get from the people of Nepal. They've been a backbone, and in my career, they've been a motivating force. So most of the characters that I've done was for the underdogs, for the normal people, and it has forceful dialogues. So I'm going to say a few of the dialogues. I did a film called Sankar, in most of my films I'm either called Sankar or Arjun. So some of my fans, they even call me Sankar instead of calling me Rajesh right, when they see me. Sadhuru Samarak Dushta Vinasak Pralaykar Huma Tero Lagi Sakchat Mritu Sankar Hum. Sajjan ko lagi naik, सज्जन को लागी नायक, दुर्जन को लागी खलनायक, दुश्मन को नाम राम नाम सत्य छ, अन्यायमा न्याय दिन राजेशदाई आउँदैछ. Now I have a short one. साथीहरुको लागि यो हात सलाम, दुश्मनको लागि यो हात फलाम. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It's always wonderful to